Hello everyone and welcome to the walk around video of the incredibly presented 435D M Sport Convertible here at Your Next Car with myself, James. So of course we're going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the car whilst I talk you through some of the major talking points and features. Then of course we're going to go around, I'm going to go ahead, take a seat inside the vehicle, where once we're there we will go again through some of the major talking points and features of the interior. So as you can see, this 4 Series convertible is presented in the Glacier Silver, and alongside that we fitted the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit, alongside adding the 20-inch 666 competition style alloy wheels, which really do set and finish this convertible vehicle off very nicely. So at the front of the vehicle you'll see it is a 2017 17 plate, and again a very nice feature of the facelift is of course the very nice darkened facelift headlights. Alongside that, you'll see the gloss black front splitter, gloss black kidney grills, and of course those are very immediately striking 20-inch alloy wheels. Down the side of the car, we've got the gloss black air breathers on this vehicle, the gloss black sidebars, satin side vinyls, and the YNC Mperformance side stickers. Already you will be able to see that black Dakota leather, thanks to us having the roof down. However, towards the end of the video, I will of course pop the roof up and allow you to have a look at that in action, and of course step outside the vehicle and show you what the vehicle looks like with the roof up. The interior does come in the front with both electric function, electric lumbar, and the heated seat function for the front passengers and drivers. The rear seat arrangement for the 4 Series convertible, similar to that of the coupe, by being the 2-seat Isofix rear bench arrangement with the centre fold armrest and the centre storage tray and drinks tray. And it's no matter where you sit in the convertible 4 Series, it is a especially comfortable place to sit for both leg room and of course headroom, especially when you've got that roof down of course. So we'll move around to the rear of the car, not before showing you off those fantastic ever popular 666 competition style alloy wheels. So round at the rear of the vehicle we find the gloss black rear boot spoiler, and the gloss black rear diffuser. So being a 435D, of course the vehicle does come with BMW's incredible xDrive 4-wheel drive system. Traditionally, 4-wheel drive systems can eat into the luggage capacity and of course the all-round passenger capacity of the vehicle. However, thanks to the sophistication of this 4-wheel drive system, it's not an issue on the BMW range of vehicles. So of course everything is now currently folded away nice and neatly into the boot space. Being a metal folding top generally can be a bit of a problem with convertible vehicles. However, BMW do think of everything, giving you this little rocker switch. Pressing this will allow us to partly lift the roof back into the closed position, and this will give us access to the full boot space, which is very surprisingly large. And then we lift the luggage cover up, and there you can see just how far it goes all the way back to the rear seats, and there is plenty of space in here for traveling or of course your everyday usage, which being a hard top does mean you will and can use the vehicle every day. Closing that back down, and all we do is fold everything nice and neatly back away into its storage compartment. Although it's only a very small feature, it will add up to be a very useful one should you choose to purchase a 4 Series convertible. Moving around to the other side of the car, you'll see just how nicely presented this great Glacier Silver is, especially when it is combined with of course the gloss black of the YNC Mperformance body styling kit, and of course the 20-inch alloy wheels. Again, thanks to the sun shining through into the showroom, they're really making the car stand out ever so nicely. And on into the interior, where of course I'm going to go ahead and make myself comfortable. We will of course take a seat and we'll go through a couple of the functions and features. So I'll start with starting the car up, where as you can see with the professional wide navigation and media screen, and we'll run through a couple of the features of that. Currently we've got the DAB screen up, however you do get a wide array of multimedia inputs, including the BMW music collection function, which enables you to store and rip music to the car. Navigation of course, which again is a really nice user-friendly item, Bluetooth audio and telephone. And as you can see there, the vehicle also comes with Connected Drive Plus. Connected Drive Plus gives you access to online search, news and weather apps, which is all powered by Google. The vehicle has its own 4G network inbuilt, so it will not use any of your own personal data. The vehicle has covered a staggeringly low 11,867 miles, so a very low mileage 435D convertible. It's got the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, flappy pedals, cruise control, speed limiter function, voice and volume controls. And the last thing before I pop the roof up and allow you to have a look at that in action, we'll just show you the service requirements and service history. The vehicle is not due a service for 13,000 miles and everything else is highlighted in green. And the vehicle does have full BMW service history, and of course being a very low mileage vehicle. And as you can see there, it had its first service correctly on time. So I'll pop the roof up and allow you to have a look at that in action, which again is a very quick operating roof. So it can be done at a set of traffic lights, which is always important due to the fact that we are, of course, in the UK. Whilst that's doing its thing, there's another feature on this car I do want to show you. Down here is a little button which activates the heated steering wheel, which again, very important on a convertible vehicle, due to the fact, of course, it will mean you can have the roof down for longer. So now the roof movement is completed, we'll step outside and of course finish off by saying, I do hope you've enjoyed this walk around video and found it useful. If you do have any questions, please do feel free to drop them down below in the comments, where as always I'll be very happy to get back to you as soon as possible. You'll also find all of the relevant contact information and links to this vehicle on our website should you want to check out further options, including prices and finance options. Thanks for watching, do of course take care, and we hope to see you very, very soon.